Next, we have a right outer join. And the difference between a left and a right outer join is that it returns all the rows from table 2 instead of table 1. And if there's a match, it shows the same thing you would see on an inner join. But if there's not a match, it shows the table 1 columns that are shown as nulls. And all that we changed here was the word left outer to be right outer. And what left and right implies is that the first table is considered the left table. That's table 1 in this case. And the second table is considered the right table. That's table 2 in this case. Let's take a look at how that query differs. Scroll down, and the only thing that changed between this one and the previous one is the word left was changed to right. And you can see now the bottom set of results down here is exactly the same as what we saw in the inner join, but we have these 3 colors over here, pink, mauve, and orange, that are not mapped to a specific user. Now, those got overlooked in the previous 2 queries because they were not included in the inner join or the left outer join. But with this, if you wanted to say, give me all of the colors and show which people have that color as their favorite color, the right outer join, which we've used here, would be more useful in being able to see the entire list of the colors. Now, one of the questions that always comes up is, why a right outer join versus a left outer join? Couldn't you just reverse the order of the tables and always use a left outer join? And if you wanted to do that, you certainly could. You could go and grab this query and switch table 2 and table 1 around and make this a left outer join, and it would absolutely work the same way that we just did with the right outer join there. The columns might show up in a little bit different order because of which one's first or second, but that could easily be managed by specifying the columns in your query. But where it gets interesting is not just when you're joining 2 tables, but when you're joining 3 tables or 4 tables or 10 tables, sometimes that left outer join is going to be the only way to get what you need based off of all the other tables in the query. Or sometimes the right outer join is going to be the only table to achieve what you're looking for there. So they're basically the same concept. It's just determining which table is going to be treated like the inner join and then which table is going to have those extra nulls added in, depending on the left or the right side. Also, just a reminder, you can download the join types poster at stevestedman.com. And this is a poster I created a few years ago that just sort of shows how all the different joins that we're going to be covering through this presentation are done. It's handy to print out and keep on your cube wall or near your workspace. Hi, this is Steve Stedman, and I just want to let you know the video that you've just finished watching is part of what's offered in my T-SQL Join Types course. It's available for a low price of $29.99. And with this, we're going to cover everything from basic select, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, semi-join, anti-semi-join, left outer join with exclusion, right outer join with exclusion, full outer join, cross apply, outer apply, and many more. To use this class, all you really need is access to a Microsoft SQL Server. You can download SQL Server Express, that's plenty for using the class, and SQL Server Management Studio. Here's the curriculum. We've got quite a bit of detail that goes through all the different types of joins, including demo and lecture, sample codes, and then some assignments you can take and run with to figure out how to do it for yourself. This is one of the more popular classes that we offer from Stedman Solutions, so I would encourage you to check it out. To find out more about this class, you can go to stedman.us/joins. Look forward to seeing you in this class. Have a great day. Thanks for watching our video. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Please click the thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want more information, more videos like this, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified of future videos that we create.